Had how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone 16, 16 Pro. Want to type silently on your iPhone? Here's how to disable the keyboard sound easily. Step 1, open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2, go to Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Step 3, turn off keyboard feedback. Tap keyboard feedback. Toggle sound to off. Optional. You can also disable haptic if you don't want vibration feedback. Done. Keyboard sounds are now turned off on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Like and share if this helped. Subscribe for more iPhone customization tips.